Okay, I'm back. I don't know what happened. My screen. Anyway, so as you can see, this one is kind of lumpy. And it says 80/20 polyester, may quilt up to 4 inches apart. This one feels ick. Like I would not, it says cuddle blend, but it doesn't feel very cuddly. Now it may soften up when it's washed, but it feels like you can feel all those. You see how lumpy it is? You could feel all those bumps. I don't know if they'll go away in washing. Stitching time batting. Elegant 100% bleached cotton may quilt up to 8 inches apart. This is better. It's soft. Look, you don't see the lumps. See, it's nice and smooth. Very nice. Elegant blend 50/50 cotton, 50 bamboo. May quilt up to 8 inches apart. This is very nice. This is almost silky feeling. It's very nice. And if you watch Tracy with the Sewing Channel, she has a show, one of her shows she did on batting. I highly suggest you watch it. She goes into that there's a certain frequency that fabric holds. And I'm not going to probably say it correctly, but I found it very interesting that like organic, like linens have like the highest frequency and that it's a very healing fabric, right? And I don't know if that's because it's from vegetation. And there's something like, I think even biblical, not to get into the Bible, but that says that to not blend like linens with wool, I think it is, that it like cancels each other out, right? So I'll link that that show of hers, that one episode, whatever you want to call it, down below. There's the bow saying hi. But this is very nice. Cotton bamboo blend, very nice. I do like, I am more of I don't like a big fat heavy batting. This one is simply bamboo, 100%, may quilt up to 8 inches apart. This is very nice, like silk. It feels like silk. There's the width, loft, whatever you want to call it. This feels terrible. What is this? Tabletops and totes may quilt up to 18 inches apart. This is for, like it says, tabletops and totes, right? So it's real. You can see through it. It's stiff. Look how stiff it is. It's very stiff. There's no, this one, I don't know if you can see. There's a shimmer. It's got the silver in it. This is heat resistant. May quilt up to 8 inches apart. I think this is a cool set. If I want to make one of those, if I want to make a, what do you call it? Like a trivet or something, this is ideal, right? Because it's heat resistant. So this is a cool set for $20. There's more. There's always more, right? So this is the Hobbs bonded fibers, and it goes, this is how it comes. These are larger. Let's see if I can get back here. Measuring device. These are 12 by 12 squares. Now, I thought in the description that it was going to be 18-inch squares, and that's why I purchased this, because I thought, 18 inches, that's perfect. I'll make covers for my pillows. I don't know why she's doing that so much. Sorry. But apparently, I don't know, there was a miscommunication somewhere. There's the thing, battingsupersale.com. Leave that up for a minute. I'll put the description down below. Natural heirloom natural with scrim. Oh, and they're labeled, so that's good because there's a list here attached to it, which is helpful. Let me read about it a minute, because I want to see what it says. So Heirloom Premium 100% natural cotton with scrim is perfect for quilters seeking extra strength in cotton batting, soft and gentle. This bat is made with natural cotton that has a thin stabilizer scrim needle punch into the cotton. The scrim provides superior strength over cotton alone and prevents the batting from stretching. This product has a low loft and becomes softer with each washing. It's probably because the glue goes away, you know. And there's that. So I guess that's this one. Heirloom. Heirloom natural cotton, 100% cotton and may quilt up to 8 inches apart. Now this is something closer to what I normally. It's silky feeling. It's not completely see-through. There's a nice loft to it. It's not overly lofty, you know, like I hate that. I don't like comforters because they put that super high loft stuff inside, which is usually polyester. They're not breathable. And then they put it's kind of silky feeling usually, and they slide off the bed. And it's bad. I can't stand sleeping under a comforter. I'm a quilt girl. Okay, the next one. I'm not going to read about each one of them. I'm just going to go through these little individual things. So this is the Hobbs Tuscany Cotton Bleached, 100% American cotton, needle punched only, may quilt up to 4 inches apart. Now this one, it feels nice and silky. It's a little, it's bleached. It's nice. It's very nice. I would use this for sure. I love cotton. I love cotton batting. This one's a little heavier. This is a Tuscany Cotton Natural 100% American needle punched only. I'm guessing this is the unbleached variety of that. Again, nice loft, nice and silky feeling. I don't know why she's going off so much. Okay, stand by. Hobbs Heirloom Premium 80/20. 80 cotton, 20 polyester, may quilt up to 4 inches apart. Now that's surprising for polyester for me, I think. 4 inches apart. But this feels nice. I mean, it's thin. It is, I think, it does feel a little bit thinner than the other ones. But it does feel soft. So, and that's probably something that I would put on a baby quilt, but I'm really surprised it says 4 inches apart. Anyway, and here's the black one. I'm hoping that you can see it when I'm holding it like this, so you can see the bumps and lumps and whatever. Hobbs Premium 80/20 black color fast, 80/20 80 cotton, 20 polyester, may quilt up to 4 inches apart. So it's basically the same as the last one, same type of loft. I will say, no, they feel about the same. The black feels a little more rough. This one feels really rough. Okay. Oh, this is why. Okay. Hobbs Heirloom Premium 80/20. You guys are probably gonna go crazy every time I say heirloom. Sorry about that. Heirloom. Okay, temporary double face fusible 80/20. May quilt up to 4 inches apart. This, you feel it. You feel the glue or whatever's on there. So, you know, I'm sure like in time, washing, using, whatever, it'll probably lighten up a little bit. But that's for if you need a fusible batting. Okay, this one is wool. Yeah. Hobbs Heirloom or Tuscany wool. It says or. Does the other one say or? No, this one says or Tuscany wool. So I guess this is the same for either one. 100% super washed wool, may quilt up to 4 inches apart, machine wash, cold, gentle cycle. It is lofty. It has a bit of a loft there to it. But I feel like when you wash it, it may shrink. Like they say it's not going to shrink, but I think it will get softer in time. This is what I've heard about this wool. And it feels like wool. It doesn't feel soft or silky like cotton, but um, you're gonna sandwich it in a quilt. So, okay, another one. This is weird. Okay, so they call this Tuscany silk. Make quilt up to 4 inches apart. Machine wash, cold, gentle. But it doesn't say what it is. But it's kind of stiff feeling. Let me see what the paper says about the Tuscany silk, because I'm curious about this one. Tuscany silk. Tuscany silk is supple, soft, and drapes like no other batting. It's not soft feeling, I can tell you. It's really not. Look at how it moves. But once it's washed, we don't know, right? Let's see. The luxury feel is ideal for both quilts and garments. This Tuscany bat is a blend of 90% very fine imported silk filaments and 10% fine polyester. It is carded and resin bonded to help retard bearding and fiber migration. It quilts magnificently by hand or machine. So that's interesting. So maybe in time it softens. I'm not really sure. Ooh, this one feels bad. You can feel the polyester. Thermore, 100% thin bonded polyester loft, 1/8 inch, may quilt up to 9 inches apart, machine washable. So this, the polyester. So can you see me through it? I can see things through it. So yeah, you can kind of see me through it. It's a low loft polyester. I don't know what you'd use this for, but 9 inches apart. I mean, if you are into polyester, but I'm not into polyester. Oh no, I've done it now. I've lost my place. It's okay. All right. It came apart. All right. This is Poly Down by Hobbs. 100% bonded siliconized polyester, 1/3 loft, may quilt up to 4 inches apart, machine washable, batting super sale. So this is a siliconized polyester. It kind of feels softer. It is lofty. It's got a bit of a loft to it. Am I too far? There you go. Now you can kind of see the thickness of it. There you go. It feels better than the other polyesters, but there's that. Next one. This one. Tuscany cotton wool, 80 cotton, 20 wool, may quilt up to 4 inches apart, machine washed, cold, gentle cycle. It's a nice, it's got a nice, thinner loft. It's feels nice. Feels nice. Hold on. Okay. Back at it. This one feels really nice. Oh yeah, cotton. Tuscany Supreme Cotton, 100% lightly needle punched, may quilt up to 3 inches apart. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle. This feels very soft, and it does have a bit of a loft to it. Look, it's a little bit thicker than the other ones, and it feels very silky. It's very nice. So that's what I have for you today. And, I thought with this little sample set here, I thought this would be perfect. Maybe I should have ordered 2. One for my pillows that I need to do. I want to do some pillowcases, and maybe one for to have for future reference, because when you're quilting, you got to think about the parts, the stuff that you're putting in the inside as well, right? So for my quilt that it's for my niece, it's going to Vermont. I want to keep her warm, and what better way to keep her warm than have a nice wool? I think wool. It works for the sheep. Why not? I mean, and then I've got another one. So the wool cotton blend that I got, I'm doing a little throw for me. Hopefully, maybe I get to keep one of my own creations. I've only ever kept one. I've given all the other ones away. So I might keep it for myself, or I might send it to someone. We shall see. Coming soon. So I apologize if my glasses turn dark. So I have a super bright light right above me. And then what happens is, I mean, I feel like a veg sometimes in here because I feel like it's trying to make me grow or something. I'm under a grow light. So, but these glasses are transitional and then they'll turn dark. So I apologize if I'll just take them off. If it looks like I'm looking at you through sunglasses, I don't like that. Anyway, so that's what I have for you today. And please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Have a beautiful day. Keep on sharing the love.